Hello everybody, it's Monica, and the first thing I'm going to say is I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm echoing and there's some feedback. I'm still trying to figure out what's wrong with this dang microphone, but we will get it situated one way or another. Today I wanted to bring to you some Avon changes and some Avon sneak peeks. So grab yourself a beverage. This could be lengthy. I have no idea. It's me. I talk too much. But anyway, the first thing I want to talk about with Avon is if you are an Avon rep or an Avon customer, or you're ready to relaunch your business, giddy up. This is going to be a wild spring for us here at Avon. First things and foremost, they are discontinuing a lot of products this quarter, and at first I was like kind of thrown back a little bit, but then I started looking. We have so many multi-purpose items and products here at Avon that it just honestly starts to become too much. I know myself as a representative, a customer as well, and for my customers, it's hard to explain the differences when a lot of these products can do the same thing for each other. So I'm really excited that Avon has taken the opportunity to kind of simplify things, make it easier on all of us. So going forward, I probably will be doing brochure. Each brochure I'll kind of break down videos for you guys, discontinued products and new products, so you guys can see what I'm saying. And plus I like to talk about the brochures because obviously that is the store that we shop at. That's my store, that's your store, and I'm very happy that you guys are here along with me. Anyway, so that will be going forward in the next quarter. There's a bunch of things, and don't be surprised if we see some of this stuff, we'll say, fleshing out through the new year, because there is a lot of new things. So right now we are on the semi-annual sale, which ends online next Monday. Right now until tomorrow, the 28th, if you spend $50 on an e-store or my e-store or your representative's e-store, you will get a free bottle of the Dazzle Drops, which is a very nice highlighter. You can make it subtle, you can make it as bold as you want. If you want to look like a shiny unicorn, go for it. And it's just a really good product that I have enjoyed to incorporate into my looks. So that is going to end on the 28th. Now, starting next week, we will be unveiling a new product, and it is the Ultimate Dual Elixir. And this is going to have 3 times more of the I should say replenishing, because it's got serum and oil. So 89% showed improvement in texture, radiance, wrinkles, firmness, and moisture in 1 week. So I've heard really good things from other representatives that have tried it. I have yet to try it. I gave it to somebody in my downline. Now she says she loves it. So I honestly can say that is going to be a great new product here at Avon, and it's going to be introduced at $34.99. One thing that doesn't get talked about enough, or at least I know I should more, is the A-boxes. So if you spend $40, you get an option of buying one of our A-boxes for $10. So here, this one is full of a pedi or nail set. It's a mini mani kit, I should say. You get a nail polish, you get a lipstick, and you also get the Haiku flower spray. So this is a $33 value that you would add on, and you would get it for $10 if you spend $40 in this brochure. So look for those deals, because there's a lot of times, like this product here, we don't even, over here, backwards, this product we don't even carry. So you'll notice in these A-boxes, there's something that's exclusive to the A-box that I really like. Okay, so now Campaign 8 is going to bring out some new eyeshadows. Yeah. So these are 8 cream eyeshadows. They have glimmers and they have shimmers, just depending on your needs. Some will have glitter and some will just have shimmer. Today I am wearing the one in rose gold. I know it's not picking up, but there is some glitter in it. And actually on my arm, I swatched it yesterday and it's still there. So it's definitely got some long wearing power, and they are going to be introduced at $5.99, you guys. And these tubes are not small, so that's pretty awesome. They're also going to be introducing some new eyeliners, and there is going to be a bunch of stuff in here for spring, and I believe the other book has a lot of stuff for spring. But I'm going to go back to the A-box again. So if you spend $40 in this brochure, you're going to get one of the new Honey Blossom travel sprays, the Power Serum sample, a lipstick in the color sugar, nope, just kidding, I lied to you guys, lipstick in the color Brown Sugar, and the eyeliner in Sugar Plum. So again, that's spend $40 in this brochure, you're going to get $10. Now this is the first time in a very long time that I noticed that they didn't put the A-Box on the back of the cover. This is a charm bracelet. These are $4.99. They have ladybugs, butterfly, flower, and a bee. Those are pretty cute. They're called Garden Charm stretch bracelets, and they are $4.99. Those are cute. Okay, then in campaign 9, we have the Honey Blossom perfume. And if you have not seen me raving about this, it is such a delightful perfume. I am not a floral person, but it's got apple blossom, honeysuckle nectar, and vanilla orchid. It's got the best blend of sweets and floral that I've ever smelled. This should be, I don't want to drop any names, but it smells like one of those that starts with a C, their perfume. There's probably a couple of those. But $15.99 is the intro price right now. You can also get it on our e-store for $15.99 for intro, and if you use the code FLOURISH. So I'll put that in the description box below. And then again, you spend $10 in this brochure, you're going to get the A-Box, or spend $40, you spend $10, you get the A-Box. There's a small rich cleansing foam in it, the gel cream, the Hydrofusion gel cream, a exclusive necklace, which is, why can't I do this backwards? This necklace is really cute. And then you get a full-size purifying clay mask. And that, again, is a $43 value that you're going to get in that box. Okay, campaign 10. Now, this is awesome because they are going to be reformulating our vitamin C serum, which is already awesome already. I hear raves and raves and raves about it. So if you need any brightening, I would highly, highly look into this item. They are going to be coming out with a warming peel mask in this line, the vitamin C. I just got to step back for a little bit because this is awesome. This is going to be a lip treatment. Now, I cannot tell you enough how many times my customers or myself are looking for a lip treatment. $7.99. It's going to be visibly plumps, smooth, and conditioned lips to keep them looking youthful. First of all, we need it during the winter. Second of all, we need it during the summer. So I think this is a well-balanced product that we can use all day long, and I cannot say how excited I am. I cannot wait to try it, just to see the texture, the feel, how my lips feel afterwards, the scent. Those are all big things to me. And then if you spend $40 in this brochure, you are going to get the A-Box for $10, and this one has the full-size depuffing serum. If you've not tried that, you're totally missing out because Marie Claire named it one of the 25 best products of 2019. Products that will change your life. I think all Avon products will change your life, to be honest. And then they have a brow definer and dark brown. And then, this is new. This is something different. They have an eye stencil kit in here. So you can slap some eyebrows on if you need it, because there are people out there that don't have eyebrows, and we can make it happen for you. Also in campaign 11, so we're talking about May, they are going to be launching a new makeup line, and they're calling it Magix. Now, I've been an Avon representative for 6 years almost. Ooh. And when I started, they were just phasing out the Magix foundations. I loved them. I missed them. And so when I saw that yesterday, I literally cried. Seriously, I can't make this stuff up. So anyway, so I just wanted to go over some things that are happening in the next few months. Like I said, I think I'm going to sit down and do the brochure each 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, to show you guys exactly what's coming, what's going, what I think are the best sales. So I hope you stay with me, subscribe to my channel, and if not, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.